So guys, today we're gonna be trying Wendy's. Here we got the Baconator. Classic going in. Classic taste. Delicious as always. The flavor of the bacon and the beef and the cheese just goes perfectly together, especially at a late night. Try some nuggets in the sriracha hot sauce. Tastes pretty good. Sriracha sauce has a nice kick to it. Not that spicy, but still pretty good. Next we got the sweet and sour sauce. Can't forget about that with a nugget going in. I don't know which sauce I like better, honestly. They're both pretty good. Is it just me, or did Wendy's nuggets get like way smaller? Look at this. I don't remember being able to eat these in one bite. I feel like I'm just tossing these into my mouth. I can fit like 2 nuggets at one time now. Like, honestly, let's try that. Let's try 2 nuggets at once. Sriracha. And sweet and sour. Ooh. Can't forget about the fries. Little watermelon lemonade. All right, that's everything. Burger, nuggets, fries. Wendy's, I rated 8.9 out of 10.